हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल वंस अगेन। चलिए दोस्तों, आज हम जानने की कोशिश करते हैं वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन्स के बारे में। दोस्तों, अ लिस्ट ऑफ 18 ट्रेन्स एंड द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय देम। दिस इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर ऑफ वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन। फ्रेंड्स, द वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन्स आर मैन्युफैक्चर्ड indigenously. These are semi-high speed trains. The train has state-of-the-art passenger luxuries. It provides passengers with a faster, more comfortable and more convenient travel experience. Previously, it was known as Train 18 and was manufactured at the Integral Coach Factory ICF in Chennai. So, friends, the first train, New Delhi to Varanasi Vande Bharat Express. It covers a distance of 759 kilometers. The second one is New Delhi to Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Katra Jammu and Kashmir Vande Bharat Express, covering a distance of 655 kilometers. And the third one, Gandhinagar to Mumbai Vande Bharat Express. It covers a distance of 522 kilometers. The fourth one is New Delhi to Andaura Vande Bharat Express. It covers a distance of 415 kilometers. The fifth is Chennai to Mysuru Vande Bharat Express, covering a distance of 401 kilometer. And the sixth one is Nagpur to Bilaspur Vande Bharat Express. It covers a distance of 412 kilometer. Friends, the seventh one is Howrah to New Jalpaiguri Vande Bharat Express. It covers a distance of 454 kilometers. And the eighth one is Sikandrabad to Visakhapatnam Vande Bharat Express. It covers a distance of 699 kilometers. And the ninth one is Mumbai to Solapur Vande Bharat Express. It covers a distance of 455 kilometers. Here comes the 10th one, Mumbai to Shirdi Vande Bharat Express. It covers a distance of 343 kilometers. And the 11th one is Hazrat Nizamuddin to Rani Kamlapati Station Vande Bharat Express. It covers a distance of 700 kilometers. And the 12th one is Sikandrabad to Tirupati Vande Bharat Express. It covers a distance of 661 kilometers. The 13th one is Chennai to Coimbatore Vande Bharat Express. It covers a distance of 495 kilometers. The 14th is Ajmer to Delhi Kent Vande Bharat Express. It covers a distance of 428 kilometers. And the 15th is Howrah to Puri Vande Bharat Express, and it covers a distance of 500 kilometers. Here comes the 16th one, the Thiruvananthapuram Kasaragod Vande Bharat Express, covering a distance of 586 kilometers. And the 17th one is Delhi to Dehradun Vande Bharat Express. It covers a distance of 302 kilometers. And the 18th one, New Jalpaiguri to Guwahati Vande Bharat Express. It covers a distance of 411 kilometers. So friends, till date all the 18 trains are running. So आप ट्रेवल कीजिए, मज़े लीजिए और घूमते रहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो.